Hi everybody. A number of you have asked me how I can add parents to the Learn for Life Connect or Parent Square. So this is how I do that with parents using just a phone number. So you see here we're on our main page. You can go to admin, which is in the upper left hand corner. You'll go to where it says users on the side right here. And then when you go to users, you can put in the name of your parent. So for here, I will put John Smith. You can add an email. I just do the cell phone number, so like 714-26253, making up a random number. And then what I do is, this is really important, you want to put in the grade level the student is in. The class, so here I have my class, and then the full name of the student. So if I wanted to attach it to the student here, once I press invite, what will happen is an invite will go out, and if it is successful, by the way, don't forget to press invite. I'm not going to do that right now because I made that person up. But if it is successful, when you do message people, like let's say I'm going to add a message right now, you'll see that actually appears. So it says, where it says parents, it's not just Marissa anymore, it's now Geneva Acosta. And it's not just Leah anymore, it's Yolanda Castillo as well. And it's not just Thomas, it's Jennifer, his mom. The ones that don't have a partner or another name next to them, that means that either one, I did not send out that invite, or two, they have not accessed, have not actually added on the Parent Square app. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.